Hi everyone. For those who do celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you're having a lovely day. We had a Friendsgiving yesterday and it was awesome. We just want to share a few of the clips with you.
Hi.
I put my shoes on.
Yeah. And Autumn.
Jeffrey.
Mom
Gracie, I want to try some of this one.
and Albert.
You
Walk the pass, the camera.
Miss Governor. Mrs. Governor. Amy. Lashana. Kendra.
Not garlic water, manish water.
It was the night before Thanksgiving, and Lashana was hungry and she went to Wendy's, and they only bought Shantae some fries. No chicken. And Chalani is hungry.
We over here starving.
With her auntie Jamie.
That's some shaky stuff.
Lashana was going around letting everyone try Guyanese snacks. And this tasted really good to me. It's called it's roasted chickpea. I think it's called Shana or Chana. I don't remember. But it tasted pretty good. Some people were saying it has an acquired taste. It tastes really good to me, honestly. I can snack on this.
Not bad.
So all our desserts and our meat was prepped from the day before, and that makes yesterday way easier for me because we just wake up, everybody did their part, and everything flowed smoothly. Thanks to my additional daughters, Lashana and Shantae, for bringing the goat meat all the way from New York.
That's cool. Manish water cooking. Stir up the pot.
You know, see dumpling?
Hmm?
You know, see no dumpling?
Yeah, dumpling. Who said it was done? Tash?
Get that one.
Hey. Hey. Happy Friendsgiving.
You think I alone have grandma? Yeah?
Yes. Hey, yes. Tell them you love your grandma. Say I love my grandma. I don't care what anyone else say.
Ain't nobody ever said she don't love me. Exactly. Get out of here.
The pink pot? Which pink pot?
And Andrea, I'm going to reach out to you in a separate video, but thank you so much for this lovely pot that you sent me for Thanksgiving. I love it so much, and I really do appreciate it, and it made some really lovely, delicious rice and peas.
Okay.
So Lashana is over here making chow mein, which tasted really good, really good. And I'm over here watching the video now, and I'm wondering, why is Lashana scratching my pot with this spoon? But thank you, my daughter, for making this lovely dish. We enjoyed it.
Drink soup if you're hungry. Drink. Few years, maybe certain things like.
Action.
Sorry.
Happy. You remember me. She's like, I don't know who this person is.
Now she knows.
Screaming last time.
She started screaming.
Yeah, it was dark outside. She couldn't
She's looking at you. She did. I remember that now.
see. She started.
Like the onions in there somehow.
Well, I mean, it no feel bad.
It's early now. It's only come out.
Pretty.
Ain't nobody talking to you. You mad?
Kendra have 2 plates. Imagine that. Look at the better girl.
Get called out on the YouTube.
I assume it's a beautiful conversation happening over here. Everybody enjoying the food? Yeah. 10 out of 10.
So this is how our Friendsgiving ended. It was very emotional. DK and Pete have been besties since they were like 5 years old, and they have continued their friendship. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. It was a beautiful day, and I do hope that you are having a beautiful day as well. Bye.